Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Tetrified Us. I'm Aditi. So for today's video, it will be a makeup look. Selena Gomez has launched her makeup brand, Rare Beauty. I am overwhelmed by the brand, and I don't know, I love Selena. I am a 90s kid, and I literally grew up through Hannah Montana, Selena, and Sweet Life of Zack and Cody, and those kind of shows. So I went to Rare Beauty website. I know it's not available in India. I went to rarebeauty.com, and I was checking the website that what's the price and blah blah. I saw this look. I wanted to create that look with simple products that I have, and it's not a tutorial or something. I just wanted to make it. So let's try together to make this look. So I'm starting with my bare face. I just took a shower, and I cleansed my face, toned it, and I will be using this facial mist. I actually don't use a primer. I have oily skin. I prefer lightweight mists like this. This is from Palm. So for the foundation, I will be mixing these two, Fit Me and Fit Me Superstar. So Selena has done a Vogue video of her putting Rare Beauty products. I have watched it, and she is literally a queen. From Wizards of Waverly Place till now, she is slaying it. We have a pretty good base. Creases of the nose, my big ass nose. So guys, let us chat. We girls, we apply makeup because we just want to enhance our beauty, but many guys doesn't understand that. They want that, they think that girls wear makeup to get attention from boys, but that is not the fact. We apply makeup to look good, to feel good. And now the concealer. So I'm using the Fit Me concealer, my go-to. This is in my shade. I will just put the concealer under my eyes. I am trying to follow the tutorial that Selena has put in Vogue channel. So I will be giving it a minute, and then I will be setting my face with the Fit Me loose powder. This powder is a holy grail, guys. Brows. For the brow, oh god, I don't pluck my brows. The bushy brows are in trend, but I just like the brows that I like the brows that makes my lid space more open. For eyeshadow, in Selena's video, she was just putting a brown eyeshadow along the line of the eye. Maybe I should use a darker color too. So when I was young, I was a kid who would only watch Disney Channel movies, and Cartoon Network. Tom and Jerry was second in the list. At this point, I'm just talking rubbish while blending. Her eyes are more beautiful. Her eyes are more precise and more sleek. What can I say? It's not like mine, right? जितना हो सकता है करती हूँ. Then she was putting a glitter shadow in the middle. I don't have AC in my house, guys, so literally the noise thing is bothering me also, but I am trying to speak as loud as I can. So for blush, what's that thing? Leave it. Yes, take a brush. That's it. I think that's it. I won't be applying it more. Now for contouring. In this quarantine, I have ate so much. I don't think so this contour can give me a cheekbone. Still, I'm wasting my not so precious time and trying to have a cheekbone. So that's it with the contouring. Now for the eyeliner. So in the video that Selena has made, she had a super cat eye. I will be using a kajal. So this is the kajal. OMG. That's it. She had a super this type of lined eyes. She had her eyelash extensions, but I have no eyelash extensions. So I will be trying to put lashes at the end, and now I will be setting my face. Guys, for the highlighter, I don't like highlighters. My full face is oily. After sometimes it highlights on its own, just because Selena has used. Will be just applying it here. There's a tiniest bit. Now the lipstick. Selena has a statement look of her wearing bright red lips, and I naturally don't gravitate towards red because I do have a darker skin tone, but I don't like reds that much. But the red that I have is this one from Wet n Wild, and with this I will be using a lip liner. In the video, Selena doesn't use a lip liner, so I will not be using it. So after applying the lipstick, the lips looks like this. I did use a lip liner, or otherwise I will look washed out because the red is bright. As you guys can see, my forehead is already started shining. I will be trying to tie my hair like Selena. I know in my 7 lives I can't do that. So hang on guys. I have worn a white top. I have tied my hair. Let's pose. Okay. Trying to look like Selena. I can't. But kudos to that woman. I hope. Am I looking very white? If you guys like this video, hit the bell button, hit the like button, comment, you know all the drill, and we will be seeing you soon. So until next time, bye bye, peace out. Love you.